Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening the new special edition Technicolor doorables. So what is this series? I'm not even sure what series we're on. 11. So there's 3, 6, 9, 10 of the special edition figures that you can get. Here are limited edition figures, Pepita and Jeannie. And then here are all the other ones that you can get. So this box is H39, okay? That's the code for this box. And let's open it up and let's see if I got 5, 6, or 7 doorables. The box feels so light, I feel like it's just 5 doorables. Yeah, there's 5 doors, so let's see. Oh, the bags are pretty. So I got bag 24. I got bag 20. I got bag 36. I got bag 46. And bag 57. And here is the sheet that gives you all the different characters and whether or not they're rare or super rare or limited edition. Ooh, special edition or limited edition. Oh, I hope I get one of those just because, right? Okay. This on the side. Let's start with number 57, Lucky 57. Oh, is this a special? Hold on. It's Olaf. He doesn't look Technicolor though. Yeah, he is. I started off with a special edition figure. Okay, so he doesn't look Technicolor though, but I guess it is. Yes, number 57. So in this set, in this box set of H39, you will get an Olaf special edition. Okay, now I'm going to go to 20. Okay, and I've got, I would say Daisy Duck, and Daisy Duck is, let me see. These characters are weird. Where are you, Daisy? Right here? Yeah, I don't know why her body looks funky. Oh, is it Daisy? Oh, it's Madame Upanova. Sorry, I thought it was Daisy Duck. It's Madame Upadova. And I think she's an ostrich. I thought she was a duck. Okay, I don't have that character at all, so that's good. You know, take another look at these. They have just different characters, I guess. Ones that we don't see so often, maybe, perhaps. Okay, number 46. Ooh, Mama Odie. And Mama Odie is a rare. And I don't think I have a Mama Odie. So that's really cool. I'll have to think about it. I don't think I do have her. Let's see, number 24. Number 24 is, who is this? This one has, I want to say velvet on her. This one is Gail. And I don't even know what movie she's from. Let's see. Wade Ripple. Oh, she might be from that, oh, I can't remember the name of the movie, but I haven't seen it. The one about they're either fire or they're water. That one. Okay, and then number 36 is... Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yay! Okay, hold on. That's No, Ulf. Okay. I always want to say, like, he's from... Mulan for some reason, but he's not from Mulan. He's from Rapunzel. Okay, so I thought these are good characters. So he's also a rare. So I got 2 rares, right? This one and was it Mama Odie? Yeah, and Mama Odie. So Ulf and Mama Odie. And then I got a special edition figure in Olaf. All right, these are really cool. I like it. So I guess the Technicolor starts off with Olaf being blue and this one kind of being like a different color and then turning to red and then red and purple, then purple and pink. You see what I'm saying? That's the Technicolor of it. Now I get it. Ending in Tigger, which is like orange. All right, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my video or my doorables. Don't tell me what you think about my videos. Just tell me what you think about my doorables. Hope everybody's having a great day. Take care. Bye.